In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your USDT address on Binance. Whether you're using the web or mobile application, it's essential to locate your deposit address correctly to ensure smooth and successful transactions. Let's begin with the process on a desktop setup for the web platform. First, make sure to log in to your Binance account securely. Once you've entered your credentials and successfully signed in, you'll want to navigate to the wallet section. Look for Fiat and Spot, though sometimes, depending on your version, it might simply be called Overview. Upon selecting this, you're now on the page that provides an overview of your wallet's activity. Next, aim your attention at the Deposit button. This is usually located prominently on the screen. Once you click on that, you'll need to choose Crypto if prompted, which will direct you to the list of available cryptocurrencies. Here, select USDT from the list. Now, this is a crucial step. You need to decide which network to use for your USDT transactions. Binance gives you a choice of networks, such as ERC20, TRC20, or the BNB Smart Chain, also known as BP20. The network you choose dictates the address you'll receive and potentially the transaction fees you'll incur. Be mindful of this choice as it must match the network of the wallet or platform from which you're transferring the funds. Once you've made your network selection, Binance will display the deposit address specific to that network. You might see a drop-down menu if there are multiple networks, so take a moment to ensure you're on the correct one. To the right of this address, there will typically be a handy Copy button or icon. Give that a click to copy the address to your clipboard. Alternatively, if you're using a mobile device, you may want to use the QR code, which is also provided, for an even easier transfer process. Before moving forward with any transactions, there's an essential step not to overlook. Double-check your copied information. Make sure the network you've chosen aligns with what you intend to use, and verify that the address begins with an appropriate prefix that indicates the network type. For example, an ERC20 address will usually start with 0x. Double-checking ensures you're sending funds to the correct address, helping to avoid costly mistakes. With these steps completed on the web version of Binance, you're all set to manage your USDT deposits confidently and efficiently. Remember, taking the time to ensure accuracy at each step will go a long way in securing your cryptocurrency transactions.